All right, guys, it has been a long time since I just did a setup video, a skateboard setup video, set up a new board, take you through all of it. And it's been a long time because I've not been able to skate. But big news, guess what? I went to the doctor yesterday. She said, you are fully healed. There is still 2 screws in my bone. Those are never coming out, but she said it's as if you never broke your foot. It's still very sore. She also said that you're not allowed to skateboard yet and you must do physical therapy for a little while before you skateboard. But you know, I'm gonna set up a board and I'm gonna skateboard a little bit. So got this board, this white graphic. This is the classic Braille B logo, just the utter classic. And I love how the top sheet looks. This is handcrafted by PS Sticks. And this is a specific shape that I had requested. So I'm really excited to set it up. And we're gonna do the full setup video. Okay, so I got my AM grip. It is about 1,000 degrees, like on the surface of the sun today. Shout out Doug Desautel's. And I'm gonna pull this off here. Come on now. There we go. I feel like when it's extra hot, it's the perfect time to grip a board, because when it's cold, the grip tape just doesn't stick so good. Doesn't that look so nice?
Yeah, it does.
Maybe it's just been so long since I've been able to set up a board or even skate. I'm like extra excited. She's a beauty. The question is, can Aaron Kyro kickflip? Can he land a kickflip? I don't know. Leave it in the comments below. Nice. Chloe hates that noise.
I hate it. It's the worst.
I love that noise. It's so nice. Yeah. Who doesn't like it? There we go. So good, so fresh. You see that? First try.
So beautiful.
One cut. You do it on the one cut. You know you've done this before. It's as if I could work at Zoomies. You don't like that noise?
Ugh.
Like the grinding of your teeth?
I don't mind that, but
What?
nails on a chalkboard.
The nails on a chalkboard do not sound like this. Ugh. Oh, and yes, for all the people in the comments, let's get the controversy started right now. Is a 7.75? Go ahead, roast me. 7.75. Why do I skate that, you might ask? That's a good question. How tall are you, Aaron? I'm 6'2". My shoe size is a 10, and I skate a 7.75. So I grew up skating a 7.75, and sometimes I even skated a 7.5. And then I went to an 8 later on in my skateboard life. And then I was having a really hard time. And then I went back to a 7.75 and I was having a really easy time. And I was like, this is the size for me. I don't know what to say. I can just skate a 7.75 so much easier. There are some videos though where it looks so funny because 6'2", I am pretty tall. And in those videos, it looks almost like I'm skating like a tech deck. But what are you gonna do? I love me a good 7.75. I actually love it. And yes, I'm gonna do all the crazy things that I will do, like cut out the little grip tape pieces, just like this right here. It's vital to a good grip tape job. It's been really hard not being able to skate. It's very frustrating because as a skater, I feel like there's a certain level of mental health that skateboarding helps you with. And you can always rely on this piece of wood to go out and skateboard and clear your mind. Like no matter what's going on in your life, you just step on this piece of wood and you're like, ah, this feels better. And you can go out and push through whatever obstacle you're trying to push through and learn a new trick, and you've achieved something, and it helps you, gets your attention out. And I haven't been able to do that for, let's see, June, July, August, September, now we're into October. It's been nearly 5 months. So I am very, very excited to be able to step onto a board. I also hate that I just did that, just that tiny little line. Like, Aaron, who cares? You're gonna scrape up the bottom anyways, but no. I care. It matters. These skateboards are made by Paul Schmidt. In my opinion, he's the best skateboard manufacturer in the whole world. He's been in the game the longest. He knows everything there is to know about the industry and skateboards. And he's just an all-around good dude. We made some videos with him this morning. If you guys hadn't seen those yet, check them out. I love how the purplish blue pokes through, and I love how it looks right there. And then the sheer white bottom. What I really like in a skateboard is that the contrast. So I have to have a really like colorful or a very white background on the bottom, and then on the top just pure black, no colors, no nothing. So then when I'm doing like double flip tricks, I can really see when to catch the board. For me, that's really important, super key. I'm really feeling this. See what I did there? I'm feeling it. And I hope you're feeling it too. Point of skateboarding is to have fun, guys. Get out there and have fun, keep it positive. So I already have my truck set up here. One thing that's interesting about trucks is once you've set up your trucks and you've gotten them grooved in a little bit, you don't want to change them. Like, I would change my board and everything else long before I change my trucks. And these wheels, I've been rocking these wheels for a little while too. So I'm rocking the Dragon wheels. I think I have just the regular Braille bearings in there. Yeah, the regular Braille blue bearings, Dragon wheels. These are Thunder trucks. They're hollow axle and hollow kingpin, keep it extra light. And then I know this is my front truck because I have the no slide marks right there. And you're like, shouldn't you have tail slide marks? Yeah, I probably should, but I don't. I know I have no slide marks because I no slide so much more than I tail slide. See the tail slide marks? Nada. And you see the no slide marks? That's how I know.
Oh.
Nose. Wish I had brought a couple stickers to slap onto this bad boy, but I don't have any.
I bet you there's some in the car.
Think so?
There's so much random stuff in there.
Yeah, I really like the Dragon wheels. They just give a really good ride. Growing up, again, it's kind of similar. I'm going back to everything I used to skate when I was a kid. Growing up, I would skate soft wheels. In Montana, the ground was really rough, and the softer wheels give you just a little bit of leeway so you can feel more comfortable riding your board, get from place to place faster. So the Dragon wheels basically took that softness and they put it into a wheel that still slides, which in my opinion is one of the greatest skateboard inventions in the last few years, honestly. It's so good, it actually works so good. And especially with my manual tricks, I like to do the reverts, so the Dragon wheels are right on point with that. I love it. So then see, you can get a close-up of this and you can see how nicely, because I like basically countersunk it, you see how nicely those go down? Yeah. Dang, Aaron, you're like a grip tape master.
It does look, it makes a difference.
It does make a difference. These little details that just drive you nuts. After you've been skateboarding for so long, you develop the, what do they call them? The skateboard insanities. And we got the East 14 skate crew here, getting it down. So the question is, do I try and do tricks in this video on this board right after this?
No.
No?
That's a separate video.
You think so?
Absolutely.
Save it. I think it's gonna take me a while to warm up anyways.
Yeah.
I do gotta ride a little bit though, at least. Maybe an ollie.
Yeah, I'm okay with that. I also just am worried about what your doctor said.
You're worried about it?
Yeah.
So the doctor said, I was like, am I gonna break it again? And she said, it is healed fully. So for you to break it again, you would have to do just as bad as you did it the first time, which honestly wasn't that bad. It's kickflip, nose manny, nollie flip off a curb. So it wasn't like I was jumping down a 10 stair or something. It just landed just incorrectly. It was like a super freak accident. So hopefully that doesn't happen again. Knock on wood.
I know, but why did she say you couldn't skateboard though?
Because she wants me to get the muscles built back up.
So you could hurt your muscles.
I don't know.
Not your bone.
Didn't plan on asking her that. Okay, so for all the skateboard enthusiasts out there, if you guys have any like equipment style questions, let me know. Or anything relating to the skateboard itself. Things that would be good for beginners to know, or immediate, or intermediate, or advanced skaters, let me know. I can go over the different wheel shapes, sizes, hardnesses. I can go over different boards, what all of the pieces mean, everything. So I'll cover this right here, what I got. So I'm rocking the AmGrip grip tape. I'm rocking the PS Sticks Braille skateboard, 7.75 in width. I'm rocking the Thunder trucks. I have the hollows on here. I have the Braille blue bearings and the Dragon wheels. Super sick. And yeah, I haven't even had a board set up since I broke my foot. So to even set up a board is like really exciting. So now I'm gonna skate around.
All right.
5 months.
Oh my
gosh. If I fall right on my face, right in the first try. Ooh!
How does it feel?
Dang, my trucks are loose. Ow, that hurts. It definitely hurts to even push.
Really?
Yeah. Just kidding. That's fine. This is how I injured it. I basically landed like that, really hard on my toes, and all the pressure went onto this bone right here, and it just snapped clean off. So to have the idea of like this motion is like kind of scary to me. Even a push where I'm going like that, and I'm like extending my toes out is a little scary.
Oh my God.
So basically anything that pops. But a motion like this doesn't seem scary at all. So maybe I can do all the nollie. Maybe I can do a nollie. Should that be my first trick? Ow.
Oh, that hurt?
It doesn't even hurt, but it hurts like mentally.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, scary.
Wow. Yeah, I do feel really weak. That's why she wants me to do physical therapy. It's definitely tender. Okay, definitely it's starting to hurt. Ollie? One ollie?
One ollie.
Oh yeah, we back, boy! Okay, it hurts now. We're getting back, we're getting back. Okay, I could not be more excited to be back. I could not be more excited to have a skateboard set up and to be able to even ride it. You guys have no idea what this means to me. I'm so excited. And I'm gonna be making more skateboard videos and teaching you, yes you, all the tricks you've ever wanted to know and more, and we'll keep the videos coming. Absolutely love you guys. Thank you so much. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com.